Very good morning to all of you. Myself, Mr. Mahbudur Rahman, Assistant Professor in the Department of Food Engineering in KKV College of Food Technology, Nasik. Today, I will cover MCQ multiple choice question based on role of biochemical engineering in development of modern fermenter. That is part number 1. So see here, the first question is, a fermenter is also known as. Option A is bioreactor, option B is sterilizer, option C is fermentation tank, D is all of the above. So the answer is bioreactor A. A fermenter is also known as bioreactor. Question number 2 is, a fermenter is extensively used in. A is food processing, B is fermentation, C is waste treatment, and D is all of the above. So D is the correct answer because food processing, fermentation and waste treatment, each and everywhere we use fermenter. Next question is, who developed the fermenter? DBG, Liebman, Chain Wiseman, both A and B. So option number C is the correct answer for this question. Next question is, first large scale fermenter is developed for the production of A. acetone, B. Saccharomyces cerevisiae, C. antibiotic, D. none of the above. So option number B, that is the Saccharomyces cerevisiae, is the correct answer. Next question is, the impeller is used to A. increase rate of mixing, break up and disperse air bubbles, both A and B, none of the above. So the impeller is used for break up and disperse air bubble also, as well as increase rate of mixing also. So both A and B, that is the C is the correct answer. Next question is, bioreactor should provide for agitation, aeration, sterilization and maintenance of the sterility, all of the above. So D is the correct answer because bioreactor should provide agitation as well as aeration, also sterilization and maintenance of sterility. So D is the correct answer. Next question is, aeration provides supply of oxygen, aerobic fermentation, mixing of cell and medium, both A and B. So A, aeration provide what? Supply of oxygen. So A is the correct answer. Next question is unfilled to allow for splicing, forming and aeration? A is fermenter, B is head space, C is upper part, D is not mentioned. So B, that is the head space, is the correct answer for this question. Next question is, 2 lakh to 50 lakh size of fermenter, 2 lakh to 5 lakh size of fermenter is generally used for the production of A. antibiotic and enzyme, B. penicillin, C. amino acids and wine, D. all of the above. So C, that is production of acid and wine, amino acid and wine. So C is the correct answer. Last question is, the process in which the raw material, which may be biological or non-biological, must be converted to form a suitable product for processing. So it is known as what? Bioprocess. So D is the correct answer for this question. Okay, thank you. Once again, thank you for watching.